Meaning of fracture.
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 Fracture. Fracture refers to the breaking or cracking of a material, such as bone or metal, due to stress or force. When a material is subjected to excessive stress, it can cause the material to break or fracture. Fractures can range from hairline cracks to complete breaks and can occur in various objects, from natural formations like rocks and cliffs to man-made structures such as buildings and bridges. The severity of a fracture depends on the type and amount of force applied. Proper treatment and care are necessary for the healing and recovery of a fractured object or body part.